name is Jana. Welcome to Chickens and Family. And we're gonna open this. Let's go open it. It's a board game called Monopoly. It's Game of Thrones. Oh, so exciting. I need scotch tape. Okay. Phone game. Okay. With the board game, first set to inside. Okay. So many cash tapes, guys. Open it.
Kuya, what kind of game is this?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones.
This is
Anong makukuha dyan? What lesson?
Isa po siyang pang
Entrepreneur.
business board.
Entrepreneur.
Pero ibang edition.
Entrepreneur.
So,
parang mga legendary. Di ba?
so what do you think will be the lesson habang nilalaro yan? Sige nga.
Entrepreneur.
How to business or a kingdom.
Whoa! Whoa!
This is mine and thank you sa mga ilang sponsors.
Whoa!
So guys, I will send you. This is the human. This is the. This is
Careful.
let's kuya, alis mo.
Metal pala siya.
And this is let's see this.
Careful.
Uy. Wow, this is the money. Correct pala niya.
Unfold, kuya. Ate.
Pwede po.
Kasi si Josh.
Okay, that's fine. Kuya, assist mo si Joshua. Kuya,
The ghost.
assist mo si Joshua.
Original.
Thank you for my life. No.
Wow.
Ayan. Copy ko.
Boom. Boom.
Not one.